Hello YouTubers, it is Gizzy Greenfingers here, and today I'm going to repot this Kojo-No-Mai, or others might know it as Fuji cherry or cherry blossom. Either way, in the spring this tree will look gorgeous. Nice little pink blossoms on all these little buds. Now I bought this from an eBay supplier who's got their own nursery, and I paid probably more than I've seen people buy trees like this for like 10 quid in some of these places. I paid 60 odd I think with postage. Postage was 15 quid, but I can see a lot of potential for this tree. I bought another one, but I didn't get to see what it looked like, and I'm in trouble because my creativity is not working. But we're in November now, and I don't want it in this crappy pot, so I am going to repot it. I've got a lovely white ceramic pot here, which in the spring, that in there with all the blossoms, it's going to look gorgeous. It will. Oh yeah. So I'm not going to really, let's see what the root ball looks like for a start, shall we? Doesn't look like there is much of one. Right. I'm going to take this off and see what we got underneath. So as you can see, I don't use tools. I actually had a YouTuber ask me today, do you have any bonsai tools? Because he saw me butchering the roots. I can assure you, I don't have bonsai tools. I'm not on that sort of wage to be able to afford bonsai tools. I make do with my fingers. I like feeling. I'm touchy-feely. I like feeling the roots with my fingers and my hands, you know? It's, oh, it feels lovely, it does. Oh, it does. Yeah. So what I'm doing is I'm caressing the root ball with my fingers, and I'm just picking at it. I'm picking away gently, feeling the roots. So I'm not ripping the roots that really matter off. You want the fibrous roots to remain. And then at the end of this whole process of using my fingers, I'll find some big roots in here, which I am going to chop off. We are in November, but it's been effing mild, and I should know, I'm a gardener. Yeah, not a senior gardener, but I am a gardener. I garden. Yeah. Got no credentials or nothing, but I still garden, so I can class myself as a gardener. I'm self-employed. Yep. Gardener, aka Gizzy Greenfingers. So anyway, we're getting there. And by the looks of this, it looks like the taproot's already been removed, which is great news, because I don't have to take any necessary big ass roots out of this that I have to, as we are in November. A lot of people do it in the spring, but I have always repotted in the winter, and everything I've repotted has never died. Now, I just do things that I know work, so why should I start listening to people who do it on YouTube when the way I do things work? So that's a big ass root there. It'll be coming out. I'll be getting my pliers. Not bonsai tool pliers, just normal pliers, and I'll be cutting them off. So let's go and get my pliers. So I got my pliers. I think these are for cutting wire, not roots. Still has the same, what word am I looking for? So it has the same outcome. Fucking cuts them off. End of. If it works, do it. So yeah, that is that. Yeah, that was a messy job. But I don't get scared getting my hands dirty. So there we have it. I don't want to go over the top. We'll put her in there like that. And you need to look at where you want it to sit in. See, I sort of want it like that, because I've got a vision of how I want this to look. If I have it like that, it's good. So I want it more like that. And what I will do later on, I'll start bending some of these wires and branches. And I'll probably be taking. Sorry. It's the old shipyard, isn't it? It's making me delirious. I'm taking some of the branches off as well. Got too much going on with it. Even though I would like to see what it looks like in the summer, in the spring, in the blossoms. Right, so what I've got for this, my bonsai potting mix. And all I'm gonna do like so. Look at that. That ain't good, is it? Paid £6 a bag for this crap. £6 a bag, and you get blue lumps like that. I can't do jack shit with that. Yeah, it's not the best of batches, I'll be honest. Right, so there's our tree. And I want to get that. I'm gonna be honest, YouTubers, this bonsai potting mix is pretty crap from the stuff I've bought in the past. There's not much perlite and whatever they put in them little stones that are free draining and crap, you know? It's more just soil. So this will need repotting come spring. It's just, I wanted it in a ceramic pot because I'm impatient. And it'll look really nice in the spring. I can't wait. I can't wait. So that is what we have got, ladies and gentlemen. That is my Kojo-No-Mai or Fuji cherry blossom tree that I just repotted. Right, she has got a lot of potential. You'd expect it for fucking nearly £70. Yeah, so I will be bending some of these later on next year. I probably want to see it blossom first. I don't know when I want to. I'll bend these when I think's appropriate. But yeah, that is my Kojo-No-Mai cherry blossom. Watch this space. So that is it. This is my Kojo-No-Mai. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and see what it looks like in the spring. That's it. This is Gizzy Greenfingers. Ta-ta for now. Viacom.